brown blue fire department on 86 with a white male on a four-wheeler. Close by, we're headed north toward Barnfield. We're cutting up behind the We're headed up right behind Greg Tennison's house in this field. Just come back out on the highway. Great. Make a loose in this field, bring it back on the Highway 86.
31 on Bill Road, getting closer to you.
Now we're getting back on Highway 86 right now, heading north. Slam on the brakes in front of him. It's a white male with a jersey, number 28, black jersey. Just past Baxter Road. Next turn on Bell Road. We're on Bell Road right now. Speeds are 50. No traffic. Heading west on Bell Road. Stop right there! Get on the ground! Get on the ground! Turn over! Turn over! Turn over!
Okay.
Turn over! Roll over! Put your hands behind your back!
I'm sorry.
Stop reaching! Stop reaching! Stop reaching! Stop reaching!
I got names always killing you, man.
Thor City, wrecked out. Taser deployed. Stop!
Okay.
Put your hands out. Put your hands out right now. I'm going to tase you again. Place your hands behind your back. Do it now.
Okay.
Stay right there. What I tell you? Stop reaching! Put your hands behind your back. Put your hands behind your back. Keep them there.
Okay, sir. I'm sorry. Oh, it hurts so bad. Oh, I ain't going to do no more. That hurt. Oh, okay. Go ahead, hurt me. I'm sorry about this, sir.
Come on, man.
Yeah.
Stay right there, okay?
I got you.
Watch your foot. Where your foot in?
Oh, sorry.
Good.